this chemistry new project, I will be demonstrating how salt and pepper are connected to chemistry. In the first 2 weeks, we talked about physical and chemical changes in different elements. In this experiment, we will show how salt and pepper can be mixed together to create a mixture. A mixture can be given in any proportion as long as there are a little bit of each in there. Salt is a compound and pepper is a mixture already. However, if we mix the two, then we will create a different mixture between salt and pepper. This is very relatable to chemistry because we will separate the pepper from the salt using static electricity. In this experiment, we're going to need a comb, a notebook, a black notebook preferably, a boot with wool on the inside, salt, pepper, and, as always, safety goggles. Before even starting the experiment, we know that both the salt and pepper are positively charged. However, when we use this comb and rub it against the fur that's in this boot, the comb is going to become negatively charged. Then, after putting the salt and pepper on here, they will naturally become attracted to the negative electricity that's now in the comb. So the pepper will cling to the comb while the salt will stay on the notebook paper. So before even beginning this experiment, we're going to need to put on our safety goggles. Okay, and then to start, we're going to put a little salt on the notebook paper. And then we're going to put a little bit of pepper on there. So now that there's a mixture of both salt and pepper, we're going to take the comb and we're going to take the boot and we're just going to rub the comb against the wool that's on the inside of the boot so that the comb will now become negatively charged. After I'm done rubbing the comb against the wool on the inside of the boot, I'm going to put it about an inch away from the salt and pepper mixture, and naturally the pepper is going to come cling to the comb. And the reason why the salt doesn't come and cling to the comb is because salt is much heavier than pepper. So if I put it further enough away, only the pepper should jump up and cling to the comb. So after a little bit of rubbing the wool, I'm going to put the comb over the mixture. So if we zoom in, the pepper is going to come. So you can already see a little bit of it coming up and clinging to the comb. If I get too close, the salt will eventually cling just because it's positively charged as well. So you only want to keep it about this far away. And if I would have rubbed the comb a little bit further down the wool, I could have put the comb even further away, and the pepper would have came up still if it was further away, if I had kept it against the wool long enough. So as you can see on the comb, it's really only pepper that's on the comb. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's only pepper that's on the comb. So like I said before, this is how salt and pepper can relate to chemistry, and it's actually a pretty cool experiment to do. It's pretty easy to do at home. So if you ever want to try that, this is how you use static electricity to separate a mixture between salt and pepper.